said they're hoping to fill an 18-wheeler with toys, all to be donated to Toys for Tots.
We're able to give back in any capacity is huge.
It's events like these where businesses use their reach to do good that make such a difference in kids' lives at a crucial time of year.
All right, here comes the trailer that we're supposed to fill up with toys. The goal is to fill it all the way up. We're gonna find out. It hasn't even started yet, and Crestview already dropped off a full pallet of toys. And we got a bunch more out back, actually. People have been mailing them to us, so we gotta put them all together. Get a good head start on the day tomorrow. Hey, there's already toys in here.
Look at that.
Come on out, you gotta see all the toys. She is really curious. Let's go now.
We have oil?
Oh yeah. Charlie is our 800 number guy. So when you call our company at the 800-624-5403 number, you get Charlie. He does it while trucking. So he has love for trucking like nobody else I've ever met. So he just actually had these tanks polished, from what I understand, by Jared Fredette out in Albany, New York. And so I believe these are actually in pretty good shape underneath all the road film that he just picked up on the way here. The thing I'm curious about is, will the Old Glory destroy these or not? We're gonna find out the hard way. Let's get it done. Old Glory, bro, right there. We're just gonna hit it like crazy. If any of y'all are curious, this is what I now call the Freedom Foamer. Comes with an Olight Odin 2000 lumen tactical flashlight, all Veloci Prima made in the United States coupling. Very cool mezzo valve to switch from rinse to soap. It's available now. We're now selling it on our website, so check it out. I can definitely see that we went too strong with the Old Glory. I should calibrate this injector and make sure it's not sipping too strong here. Because I can see it over here. What you're looking for is this. You can see the tiger stripes here. That's from the Old Glory going on too strong. Old Glory has to be really strong to get the work done at 100 to 1. My suspicion is that we're going on stronger than 100 to 1 here. So let me show you how to calibrate your injector real quick. This is how you would determine how many parts water and how many parts soap you're putting out. We got 200 milliliters of liquid here now that the tube's been primed up. So now we got to measure over the course of 1 minute how much we use of this and also how much we use and fill this. 6,500 milliliters dispensed and 150 milliliters consumed of soap. 43 to 1. We're running double strength, Tyler. It's no wonder this thing burned up the aluminum. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put a different ratio tip in this thing and we're gonna tighten it down. It's important to know how to calibrate your system because you're supposed to be hitting it about 100 to 1. And if you don't, you go too strong, you end up with these weird tiger stripes, especially with something like Old Glory. We just got to 72, was it, to 1? Somewhere around there, the 0.6. And now we're gonna try the 0.5 and see where we land. 108 to 1. A little bit leaner than I want, but that's about what it should be as far as the soaps are concerned. So let's roll with that at this point and see what we get. And at 43 to 1, the aluminum on the wheels is all good. Thank goodness, those are a pain to polish. This is so sad. Here we are, I'm the one who damaged this aluminum and Charlie's such a good dude. He's over here polishing it himself. How about that?
Well, I did get a free wash.
Yeah, well. So we got a polisher coming tomorrow morning. This is gonna work out pretty good because we were gonna have him demonstrate his talent on this rim here. This was gonna be no fun whatsoever. Now we have something to really work with. So we're just talking about this and it's gonna work out really nice. This is Zach from On-Site Polishing and he's here to save my life. I can't believe the timing, man. It's cool that we had this lined up already and we didn't have anything for Zach to do today. And by pure chance, I created a situation. Too bad. See, this is why we ask you. This is why we asked you. This is the difference between me and someone who knows what they're doing. See that? Look at the difference, man. What do you think, Charlie?
I think you should do the boxes, Zach.
terry for hand polish, because cotton terry holds the polish a little better, where microfiber will spread it all in one shot. As you can see, if I rub it on here, and then when I show you my pad, see how it's still got a little blue in there? It's still holding the polish in there. It's not just spreading it all in that one spot.
Couldn't be any more perfect, because we need to try our new touch-free single-step wash, and a black vehicle is perfect for that. Dude, look at the inside of the engine compartment over there. Dude, we got stuff in there. That's exactly what we need. Well, this is perfect. Let's get this thing cleaned up. This is the new stuff right here. Old Glory, man. I mean, it's a little better. M-Shine's the one for this, I think, more so. And this one, I was hoping maybe would get us inside these, like this. Dude, look at this thing failing right now. This thing is so worth it. We only made it through half of one wheel. All that oxidation, man, we're gonna get it. That is what I'm talking about right there. M-Shine, right?
Yes, M-Shine, definitely.
I think you had breakfast and I didn't. Oh, man.
Chem-X will be bringing donations collected Saturday to the 22 News lobby on Sunday.
Okay, it's time to bring these toys over to the news station. The Sweeneys are here and we're gonna hop in and go.
What's up?
Dude.
What's up, bud?
Good to see you guys again. The whole surprise of going there is spoiled. They know about it now. We had the goal of filling the trailer. We got like maybe more than a third of it full. So next year we gotta hit it a little harder. Not bad.
We could cover the floor.
Yeah, if you covered it all on the floor, you'd be able to say we filled it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like one toy thick. Then that would totally
That would be all of them, though.
Oh my god.
Well, besides the two that we dropped.
That's it.
That's all we did.
Very successful show yesterday, apparently.
Yeah.
I mean, I have yet to see anyone give more. So,